Brownie. Brownie, get down.
Come here, Brownie. Come here.
Ow.
Here.
Mom, she dropped too. I like a monkey truck name. Hey, I have some of that. That monkey truck.
Yeah.
What?
I have that monkey truck at
Look what
home.
else is in there.
Candy?
Yeah. I see another white car in there or something.
Well, open it up, baby. It's yours. Oh, there's a sucker on top. Turn around so Daddy can see ya. Jackson, turn around so Daddy can see ya.
Okay. This. What is this thing?
It's a track. Look at the back of the box, and it shows you what it does.
Huh? Wow. I seen this on TV.
Did you?
It's a trailer.
Well, open up your Easter bag. Turn it around so Daddy can see it. Turn it. Put your bag on the other side of you. On this side. Put it over here so Daddy can see you opening it. Let's do it for him because I don't want to be in the camera.
Here, sit right here and open it up. Pawpaw.
Sit over there on the other side of Pawpaw. There you go. Now Daddy can see you.
Get out.
Oh, look there.
Oh my gosh! You have crayons?
Markers.
Markers.
And that.
No.
Are you making a waste?
Let me see. What is that? Oh my gosh! A motorcycle?
It's bigger.
Wow. You gonna look at the rest of your stuff in the bag? That's from Aunt Mary.
This is the Easter Bunny looking at Aunt Mary's house.
What?
And the Easter Bunny come to Aunt Mary's house to give you a toy.
Look at this. A bag.
Oh my gosh, is that a lunchbox?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
This is what I go to school.
Yeah. You got clothes?
Big. Oh, God.
Oh, Ninja Turtles. Unizumi?
Yeah.
Is that your two favorites?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Show Daddy. Turn around and show Daddy.
It's a jelly bean shooter.
Well, that's neat.
Oh my god.
Well, look at your other stuff.
There's money of gold. Chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Here, let me see that so make sure you can eat it.
You think you gotta open it?
Yeah. Go over there and finish looking and see what you got.
that's a punching ball.
Yeah. Now let's see. Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh, basketball goal. Oh.
I have some of
Let
these.
me see that punching ball. I'll blow it up for you.
Here. Want some chocolate?
Hey, you opened it.
Let me see that punching ball, buddy. I'll blow it up for you. No, down there, that yellow thing. No, that one thing down there. You just
Here,
put down there.
Jackson.
The blade.
Look into the camera and tell mommy thank you. Right here. Say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.